Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the S&S X Adidas ZX 4000 4D. But before we get into the boxes, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because you know it really helps out the channel. So you can see straight away we've got these premium Adidas boxes, but let's get inside them because these shoes, these are crazy. First off, we're starting with the Sunset colorway. So as you can see, we've got some bold pink and purple hits coming all the way across them. Sorry, couldn't close the box there. So this is arguably the most vibrant shoe you're ever gonna see. Based on Los Angeles sunsets, so as you can see on the suede overlay right here, it has Los Angeles 2019. Then when you flip that round, you have the S&S logo, and this also then appears on the tongue tab as well. We've only got premium materials on these, so as I said, suede overlays, we've got full prime knit upper, a nice molded caging system, I think that's what we're going to class that as. But the most important thing about this shoe is that 4D midsole, made from a liquid, oxygen and light resin. I'm not too sure how that actually works. This is Adidas's like pièce de résistance. It is the creme de la creme. Who knew I could speak so much French in one unboxing? This right here is Adidas's future. 4D printed, very, very, very comfortable. I own a pair of these already. Absolutely banging on foot, really comfortable. Gonna tell you how comfortable they are about 10 more times. There's another colorway coming in this pack. Sorry, should have prepared this a bit earlier. And here they are. These right here are the Sunrises. Again, coming with another crazy color palette. This time we have variants of orange. I was going to say there's some red on there, but it's like a deep burnt orange coming on the overlays. And then on the underlays, we've got this vibrant orange, more like a tangerine kind of color. And this one is absolutely crazy once again. All sitting at the top of that 4D midsole. It's just a banging shoe all the way across. Personally, probably prefer these. Drop it with a triple black outfit, make this a highlight of your outfit, and it's an absolute pop-off. So these will be available from November the 9th, exclusively at Sneakersnstuff. We're unsure if they will get a rider release, but we very much doubt it. But these ones right here, absolute banger. And if you're thinking about copping to resale, they will be £229 because of this Futurecraft 4D midsole. So it's a hefty price point straight away, but there is a little bit of resale to them. 4D is a sought after material, and this is a very limited pair. But as per usual, if you're thinking about copping to resale, you know, just enjoy your crepes. Just go out, wear them, absolutely batter them, and just wear your goddamn sneakers because that's what they're there for. And if you are thinking about copping a pair to wear them, I've got these in a UK 10, that is my normal size, and guess what, they fit true to size, so you don't need to vary it. Some people like it a little bit bigger because of the prime knit upper, but that does stretch eventually. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Sneakersnstuff X Adidas ZX 4000 4D Sunset and Sunrise Los Angeles, whatever you want to call them. And we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing, but make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button first. See ya.